So my 3080 just caught on fire. Great. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech5. It's not a joke. It's not a prank. My EVGA for the Win 3 Ultra caught on fire. 5 days of use, and it catches on fire playing Apex Legends. I didn't have many options. I couldn't send it back to the manufacturer. It would have taken months to get a replacement. There was no reason for me to think that I could get online and somehow be able to buy a replacement, because I've been trying for months to do that, which a lot of you guys have been trying too. The only choice I had was to do the same thing that I had done to get the card in the first place. I had to drive back to Micro Center and camp out in the cold, in rain. So that's what I did. Well, on my way to Micro Center for the 4th time. Thought this nightmare was over, but apparently 3080s, I hit the lottery, and then I hit the lottery, Got a bad one. Thanks. Corona, you gotta wear a mask. You gotta wear a mask or they get on your ass. Hey Ryan.
I gotta wear a mask in the car.
Wear a mask in the car.
Nah.
Oh. Bucky's. So I get to Micro Center. It's 3 a.m. I'm thinking to myself, man, 6 people in front of me. I'm in better position than I was last time. It's Monday. They're gonna have a big shipment. I'm gonna be able to get a card replacement. And you know what? I'm gonna even be able to buy a processor this time. This is my thought. I'm hyping myself up, trying to disregard the fact that my car just caught on fire and I was here a week ago in the cold and rain. I'm trying to get over it. So here we are again for the 4th time. Oh, Micro Center. Hello, Micro Center, my old friend. I did not want to see you again. EVGA, I am very mad at you. So mad. You let me down, Chiefs. Micro Center, camping out. It's pretty chilly. Somebody's legitimately camping out right there. I'm subbing this time though, so that's an improvement. Slightly. It's definitely colder than last time. Definitely. Just here. Everyone's sitting in their cars. Not me. I'm dedicated. Dedicated. I don't know what it is about Micro Center. Every time that I've gone, there's been something crazy that's happened. This time there was a tow truck trying to tow random people's cars that were there waiting in line. He kept claiming he had the right to do so. I mean, it was almost a fight with one of the people in line with this tow truck driver trying to tow our cars. I don't know. Sitting in my car right now. This tow truck's trying to get people. There's always something crazy going on. Tow truck's trying to get people. We're waiting for cards out here. It's trying to tow people because they're out here waiting for cards at Micro Center. Huh. 6 hours later. So it was looking promising. They had so many cards. You could see through the glass. You couldn't tell what they were, but you could see that they had a lot of cards. It was almost voucher time. Oh, Micro Center. Don't worry, I got my spot saved, but we don't know. We don't know what cards are coming yet. We don't know. People waiting. People waiting. I'm 7th. Well, they didn't have any 3080s, so here I go, back to 2080 Ti, I guess. No luck. Icarus. I climbed so high. Got burned up. Well, my card did. So they didn't have any 3080s. I had waited in the cold, yet again. Luckily there was no rain, so that was good. But I had came out empty-handed. Again. A 3-hour drive and 7 hours waiting later to find out that they couldn't replace my card that caught on fire. Because they didn't have it. Now, you do see that my PC is working behind me, and I had to put my old graphics card back in, which, you know, it's a good graphics card, 2080 Ti. And luckily, nothing was damaged whenever my card did catch on fire, so that's a bonus. I tasted 3080 life briefly, but possibly this would explain why my FPS didn't do as well as it should had. So I had a faulty card. At least that's my hopes, anyway. But shout out to Micro Center, because it's true, I drove 3 hours and waited 7. 4 times. And came out empty-handed 3 of those times. Micro Center did what they could. They didn't have a card to give me. They couldn't give what they don't have. But I would say they probably did the next best thing, or possibly the best possible thing they could have done. They asked me what card I wanted, and I told them I wanted the Strix model card, the 3080. And they took down my contact information and they said, we will hold it when we get it, and we'll give you a call so you can come get it. And that, to me, was some great customer service, because man, I don't live close. A 3-hour drive is terrible, and it's even worse when you're waiting in the cold just for a chance to maybe get what it is you're after. So I guess eventually I'll be getting the Strix model, which is great. I think it's the best looking one. So shout out to Micro Center again. If you live by one, hit them up. They're good people. So it's not sponsored by Micro Center, this video, but thanks Micro Center. Guys, I'm back in the fray. I don't have a 3080. I'm back to living the 20 series life. And that's okay. It's alright. It'll be alright. If you're trying to get a 3080, guys, I hope you get one. And I hope it doesn't catch on fire. This has been rough. It's been a lot. But it'll be alright. Guys, if this is content you like to see, you appreciated the video, enjoyed the video at all, please give it a like, guys. It helps me tremendously. Tremendously. It tells YouTube, hey, this guy's decent. He makes decent videos, and they recommend my content and put me out there. So if you could do me that favor, I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps me grow, helps me continue to make content. Guys, if you are looking for any sort of hardware suggestions, maybe you're trying to build your own PC, you don't know exactly what parts to go with or what are going to be actually good parts. If you're one of those people, you're kind of looking for some suggestions, you can always check out mykit.co/techvibe. It'll be in the description below, but I basically give my own personal hardware suggestions as to what I think will be good parts and make up a pretty good PC, whether it be gaming or professional work. Check it out. I'll have it in the description below. That's going to do it for the video. As always, if you do have any questions, concerns, confusions, whatever it may be, ask. I don't mind helping. I'm really trying to build something for you guys here. Hope you want to be a part of it. A simple like, share, subscribe, comment, they go so far for the channel. It really helps me continue to grow and make content. With that said, I hope you can like. I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe. A tech vibe. Specifically. We'll see you.